Hello everyone, I'm Orcho and I'm back with another very important video that will help you figure out Google Analytics much better. And before I jump in and show you how Superbet can help you derive analytics from Google Analytics, I just want to throw a question out there. Okay, so I mean we all know that Google Analytics is challenging in many ways. Like the platform itself is very difficult to find your way around the Google Analytics platform, and figuring out anything is very difficult. So let's say I stumbled upon this question the other day that I wanted to see how much of my traffic is coming from ChatGPT or Perplexity, right? Because I want to figure out what the AI engines are bringing in terms of traffic, right? So I wanted to check that out, and I went to Google Analytics, and I was completely shocked to see that you know it's very difficult. It took me like 5 to 6 minutes of video consumption across YouTube to figure out how to actually get this data out. And if you are also facing the same problem, then I think this video is for you. Okay, so if you haven't done that yet on Google Analytics, you can directly do that on Supaboard. But if you want a full dashboard and everything else, I'll just show you how we are doing that today. So before we start, I have already added my Google Analytics data over here. I'll show you how to connect, so you can open the new connections tab in data sources in Superboard. So over there, you can go at connect data source, and you will find Google Analytics over here. So if you click on this, you'll see that it's asking you to sign in. If you do that, it will take you and will get the process done. I've already done this for this particular app, so I don't need to do it again. My data is here, so I'll just take you quickly across the data. And as you can see, you can browse your entire data over here. You can go and check any report for that map. This is like I'll open the events report. All of this is here, so you can quickly check that up. Now this is all the data that is out there on the Google Analytics platform. Now that the connection is done, all that data is also available across Google. So the benefit is that you can go ahead and ask anything, and without needing to manage a complex platform or learn anything or how to do anything, how to figure out this, that, none of that. You just come to Superboard and you can ask the question. The AI will do the job for you, and it will bring out the analytics, the data that you need to see. And the most prime example of that would be if I built an entire dashboard with one prompt from the Google Analytics data. So here I'm going to do just that. On another tutorial, I'll also show you how you can ask any question to the AI about Google Analytics, and you can get the required analytics out from there, required insights out from there. But this video, we're going to do a full dashboard. Let's see how. Okay, so it's prompting me to give a dashboard a name. So I'll just call this Google Analytics dash, and description will everything from GA4. Okay, so I'll create this dashboard. As you can see, it creates this dashboard for me over here. Yes. And if I open this, there are two ways to add things to the dashboard. You can ask the AI and pin things on over here. You can also build your own charts with functions. That's another feature. I'll talk about that later. So you can also, pin charts from there to here as well. But today I'm going to talk about how we can generate an entire full dashboard with one single prompt, and that's what I'm going to do today. Before that, I'll just also want you to bring to the fact that we have pages on dashboard right now, so it's not just one dashboard at one go. You can have multiple pages. You can segment your dashboard into multiple sections, so you can do that. Now for this, I'll just make this let's call that user and acquisition analytics. Okay, let's see. Did I write the spelling wrong? I did. So I'll just quickly put a icon for this. So let's just put the chart icon here. Okay, great. Now I'll just go back to view mode, where you can see we can create a complete dashboard over here. So I'll just do that by default. So I'll say give me a full detailed Google Analytics dashboard with conversion and retention. Okay, so that's what I want, and let's just go and let's see. So this is in itself going to take a little bit of time, about 4 to 5 minutes, because we first go ahead, figure out what is your background, what is the company, the data, everything about that, and then according to that we personalize the dashboard. So you won't get generic results. Your dashboard and my dashboard won't be same, and that's a good thing, right? So you can just it will then go ahead on the internet and also check out all the relevant data, like how other people are building their dashboards. It'll figure out the right specs and everything else, and then it'll start injecting the widgets. That can be like a metric, that can be a chart, that can be a table, all of it. And once it's done, it will also self-align itself. So it'll take about 4 to 5 minutes. Let's skip through that and see you on the other side. Okay, great. So as you can see, we have the results already with us. And yeah, so I wanted acquisition and user analytics primarily. So as you can see, we have got returning user percentage, cart abandonment rate, transition efficiency, and along with that, I've also got like, new users, old users, purchase, total events, all of that is here. We have also got a funnel of how many people are actually converting, and we have also like the channels like referral, conversion rate for organic search. Everything is here in one single neat dashboard, and I think that is the beauty of Superboard. Now I'll also show you how we can play around with this. So I can quickly go into edit and I can change. So I definitely want to change the name of this. So I want this to be like conversion rate chart. So I'll just write that. Yeah, and I can even change, what is the type of my chart. So I can make this like a pie chart, and I can even play around with the colors. So I can say that, new users, let that be green, right? And let my old returning users be slightly blue, right? So yeah, I can completely play around this, and if I save this, I think as you can see, the edits take place in real time. So that's pretty much what dashboard generation is. I would love to hear your feedback once you try this out. So I would really encourage you to go to superboard.ai and plug in your Google Analytics and try to generate your dashboards and let me see what you come up with. Yeah. So that's all for this video. I'll meet you on the next one. Peace.